Greetings and welcome back to a new episode of Suffered and Sightless channel! Alright, today we have PYRORAPTORs again. We have the Hammond Collection PYRORAPTOR. And we have a Dominion PYRORAPTOR that came with Kayla, a human. Alright guys. So a few days ago I made this review, a review of this PYRORAPTOR, the Hammond Collection. Today we will be talking about the Epic Attack PYRORAPTOR. So let's go check it out outside if it's already out there. Let's go. Okay. Alright. Oh, there it is. Let's check it out. Alright. Nice. It's there. Alright, we got it. Alright, we're gonna unbox it. Alright, straight from Japan. Right there. From Kazuhiro Takasato. Alright guys, let's unbox it. Let's check it out. What's inside of this? Of our goodie box. We're assuming it's the Epic Attack. Hopefully it is. Alright. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I also already ordered the Herosaurus and the T-Rex Epic Attack. I got a good deal out of those. So, stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. It should be here in what? Probably in the next 2 weeks. Wait, how do you open this thing? Okay. Alright guys. He sealed it so good. It was sealed so good. We're gonna damage the box now. Alright, it's all filled with Japanese papers. Look at that, huh? Japanese stuff. Oh boy. Oh yes, we got the right item. This is it. Well, it's really Japanese. Oh yes, finally. This thing's supposed to be a Walmart, but it didn't came out here. It just went to Asian exclusive countries. Yes, another PYRORAPTOR, guys. Sick. Oh yes, finally. I love it. Let's check it out. There you go. Nice. Okay, good. The mouth closes. I thought it wasn't. Oh, that is sweet, guys. See? They covered the English name of the PYRORAPTOR. They made it Japanese. It's a sticker, same as here. Sticker. Alright, so we already did the baryonyx. This one's on its way. It will be here soon. Nice. Very nice. They covered it again. Japanese stickers. This one as well. I wonder why. Okay, let's open it up. This is so exciting, guys. Ah! Okay, thought I damaged it. Oh gosh, it's so scary. Oh my goodness. Alright, there you go. He's coming out. He's coming out. Oh, what? The tail too? Okay, don't want to cut myself. Alright, okay. Alright. Yeah. Here it is. Finally, our Epic Attack PYRORAPTOR. Nice. So it's worth the wait. Really nice. Let's check. We're gonna compare it now to the Dominion we have here. So it is bigger. Look at that. It is a bigger PYRORAPTOR. Look at the tail on that. Bigger as well. More feathers. Okay, let's check the DNA scan. There you go. Very cool. Push that button again. It has the talons right there. Really nice. The feathers are way better. Bigger feathers, just like the Hammond Collection. Alright, so really, really nice, guys. Now we're gonna grab the Hammond Collection. Obviously, the tail is longer. Look at that. But the Epic Attack has a bigger body. Also a bigger head. Look at that. Wait, I love this. Look at that. Alright, but the eye, it's not bad. It's pretty nice thing. Look at that, huh? They did a great job. Look at compared to the Hammond Collection. Nice teeth as well. Very nice. There you have it. So yeah, I'm so much excited about the Herosaurus and the Tyrannosaurus coming soon. Finally, we completed the Epic Attack. Alright guys, so there you have it. Okay, I like the feathers. The Hammond Collection has bigger feathers than the arms, but that's not bad. So super cool. Alright guys, there you have it for today. Alright guys, so yeah, so please let's not forget to like and subscribe, okay guys? Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, right now I'm currently making a new hybrid. Okay, it's under the sun right now, letting it dry. It's on the backyard, I'm here in the front right now. So yeah, sorry I can't show it to you guys. But anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you again. You guys have a great one, okay? Fairly well. Oh, I see.